Hey y'all, tired of rotten wood beds and tough assembly? What if you could set up a sturdy garden bed in 5 minutes? This GADI Raised Garden Bed is a silver winner. Let's dive in. Welcome to SmartBloom, folks, your go-to spot for top gardening tools in 2025. I'm your favorite YouTuber, and today we're unboxing the GADI Raised Garden Bed. Hit that subscribe button to join our growing SmartBloom fam. The GADI Raised Garden Bed is a silver galvanized metal planter that's built to last, no twisting or rotting. It's perfect for veggies, flowers, and herbs with an open bottom and side vents for healthy roots. Say goodbye to messy DIY and hello to easy planting. Here's how to use it in 3 easy steps, y'all. Step 1. Lay out the pieces. Takes 5 minutes to assemble. Step 2. Add soil and plant your veggies or flowers. Step 3. Enjoy the vents, keeping roots happy. No rot here. Gardening just got simpler. I set this up in my Florida backyard for tomatoes, and it was a breeze. The silver finish looks sharp, and the open bottom kept roots healthy through rainy days. Pro tip: use a liner if your soil's too sandy. Some folks say it heats up fast, so add mulch. Bonus tip: perfect for herbs too. Here's why I'm loving this bed, y'all. Proud sturdy metal, quick setup, and great ventilation, perfect for any garden. Cons: can heat up in sun and assembly needs care. But wow, it made my planting a joy. I'm hooked. Do you love raised beds? Tell me in the comments. This GADI bed's perfect for gardeners in the USA, EU, or Canada with patios or yards. Great for veggies or flowers, not ideal for super wet spots though. Ready to garden easy? Grab the GADI Raised Garden Bed on Amazon. Link below, y'all. What's your favorite veggie to grow? Share in the comments. I'll reply to everyone. Love this review? Hit like and subscribe to SmartBloom for more gardening tips to keep your yard thriving.